Hello, can I speak to Alan Lee, please?
Alan Lee's actually left the company.
Ah, okay, so it must have been a while since I called.
Oh God, he has been here for 3 years.
Oh, are you in Wales?
Yes, we are.
Ah, lovely, love your accent. So who's taken over from Alan?
A guy called Tim.
Right, how do I get hold of Tim?
Just a second, I'll transfer you now, 1 second.
Thank you.
Thank you for calling. Please continue to hold.
Hello, can I?
My name's Shea. I run a sales training business, and I just wanted to know if it's a subject you're open to discuss.
Say again, sorry.
So I run a sales training business, and we specialise in bespoke training, but I just wanted to check with you to see if training is on any of your plans going forward.
It's not at the moment, only because it's really pretty much me, myself and I.
Ah, okay.
So I don't currently have any need for it. But by all means keep my number, and if anything comes up that you think I'll be of interest, then please feel free to give me a call.
Yeah, I will. Thank you.
Okay,
It's
no problem.
fantastic. Have a great day. Stay
And
safe.
you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
So on that one there, what I did, I didn't really push on it because there's just himself, and it's not something that he's going to invest in for himself, obviously, right now. However, one of the things that I think you can ask in that situation, which I probably could have asked there, is are you thinking of recruiting anymore? Given the climate right now, I think it's highly unlikely that they will be, but he's certainly going to stay on my database here, and I put a little note next to it to say that he's happy to receive information. So what I'm also going to do is make sure that I've got the right information here. So that's what I always say about qualifying. In this case, it's not something that will be a high priority chase for me. So I'm not, I've got contact details now, and I will probably put in a call every now and then, but I know that it's not pressing because at the moment there's not really a great opportunity there for me. So that's important for any of us, so that we can manage that time going forward. You only have a little bit of time to make these calls. I certainly only have a little bit of time to make cold calls, and I do them mostly really to show you guys how I do them, really out of well, I guess the aim is really to help you so I can put them out there for you. But when you only have a limited amount of time to call people, you want to make sure that when you do call them, it's going to be worth your while putting the effort into chasing somebody. So it is really important that you do qualify them. So now I'm looking at this list here, and I can see that I've got a lot of hotels on my list of data. But the problem right now with calling hotels is I have already made a couple of calls to hotels before, and the answer is the same. We're closed right now. We won't be investing in training because they're going to need to reopen. Their focus will be restocking, getting themselves up to scratch to normal rotoring staff so that they can be COVID friendly as a hotel, as a business, as an organisation, as an employer. The last thing they're going to want to do is bring people into a training room and start training them, and that's what I've learned through making calls. So I'm going to skip past those calls because that's not a good use of my time right now, just to hear more of what I already know. But it would be good to just skirt across lots and lots of industries with your calls if you have to, just to get a really good feel of what people are saying, what different industries, where are they at the moment, and how are they doing. So I'm going to call this one now, which is a computer software supplier. So computers, IT right now is needed. So let's see what I get here.
Good afternoon, Object Line.
Hello, can I speak to P?
Just hold the line, please.
Thank you. Yeah, I mean, you could tell him I called. My name's Shea, S-H-E-A,
Okay?
and it's about sales training.
Sales training.
Yeah.
Okay, let me just grab a pen, Shea, because someone seems to have run off of my phone.
Okay.
Sorry about that. Can I take your number?
Of course you can. 07
Yeah.
976 73 7735.
Okay.
Do you work in his team?
Pardon?
Do you work directly for Piers?
No, I'm the office manager for our Birmingham office, and we just cover the switchboard.
Ah. Okay, and
But we're all working at home at the moment, hence he's probably not picking up his, he hasn't diverted his desk phone, I don't think.
ah, right. Okay, so that makes sense. Do you know how many salespeople work for Piers?
How many what, sorry?
How many salespeople he's got working for him?
Well, I don't think it's actually Piers that is now the sales manager. I believe it's a guy called...
Oh, okay. So it's a good job I asked you that. I might have
I
been.
think Piers is an account manager for sales, but I do believe they oversees the whole sales.
Ah, so I've actually got the wrong name then, because it would probably be speak to about sales.
Yeah, I would have
training for
thought
the
so
team.
more so than Piers.
Yeah. Can you see if it's available for me?
Yeah, of course, just bear with me.
Thank you.
Good afternoon, I'm Jessica.
Hi, can I speak to you, please?
Reachable via phone. He's actually in Dublin, so you will have to email him.
Ah, okay, so you can't, you can't transfer.
No,
Right.
he's not in London, therefore I cannot transfer the call to him.
Okay, that's fine.
So, yeah, because he's in Dublin.
So he's working from home in Dublin.
Yes.
Okay, that's not a problem. And sorry, I got put through to you, so normally he would work there then, I'm guessing.
Yes, I mean, he will normally be with us in the London office,
Right,
where he has his London line.
right.
Because we are working from home, he flew back home. He also
Sure.
has an office in Dublin, so he's in Dublin working from home, that is.
Yeah,
That's
okay.
why my colleague transferred the call to me, because I'm the office manager for the London office.
Got you. What's the London line number?
That's the number you rang.
No, the one the 0207.
Yes, that's the
Oh, that is the one. Ah, okay, that's fine. So what? Sorry, you said email, David.
Yes.
Could I just take that email address then, please?
Yes,
Okay. Does he have a mobile I can take from you?
if you please drop him an email, I'd rather not give out his
Sure.
mobile number.
That's okay.
But whichever, yes, if you can drop him an email, he's definitely at home.
Of course I can.
So she'll be able to respond to you.
Of course I can. Thank you so much. Who am I speaking to? Sorry. Brilliant. Thank you so much. You stay safe.
Thank you.
Take care. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
The reason I take the name of the person that I'm speaking to is, and there you'll notice that I also found out what that person's role is, and actually in each call, is really because if I'm going to email somebody, I kind of like to say who I spoke to, so they know that I've taken notice of that person, so that they know that I respect that person as well. So I think it's important to do that every time. So I'm just going to update this email here that I have and send a quick email, and I will be back with you.